Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here once again, your very good trading friend. Friends, hope you're all doing I think I should change the word. I trust you're all doing well because the situation is very challenging. It's very important that we all have to stay positive and we all have together come out of this tough situation. Okay, friends. So today we are going to discuss something which is very essential, which is very popular in fact, because finding whether the market is trending or whether the market is ranging, whether it is going up or whether it is going down, this is something which many people are not able to do it. And friends, also recently, not recently, for almost from 1 year, I was suggesting trending stocks for you. We all started with SBI. We made a lot of money with SBI. Then we moved on to Bajaj Finance. We made hell lot of money with Bajaj Finance by just following a simple strategies. But then the question which was kept on coming was, how do you find trending stocks? How do you know whether the stock is going up or whether the stock is going down or whether the stock is going sideways? So then I thought it is very important that I teach you how to find the trend. I am going to touch upon technical analysis, a few very important aspects of technical analysis with which you can find at least 70 to 80% accuracy with respect to trend. Okay, friends, and 1 year back exactly, when the country was faced with lockdown, many were shocked because they lost their jobs, and many came to trading. And I should tell you that in that many of them took trading very seriously and were able to become successful in 1 year. Now again, we are in a situation where we don't know what is going to happen with our jobs, with our lives. Everything is uncertain. So friends, now at least it's high time. If you're still not decided to give it a very serious shot, please do think again, think twice. Please do find a secondary source of income, and I would say trading is one among the best source of trading, a secondary source of income. Okay, friends, by saying this, I would think that I really believe that you take it up very seriously and start your journey now at least very seriously. And I will really help you how to go ahead, how to make this journey a very good one. So, in this video, you're going to learn about how to find the trend. Watch till the end, you'll be getting full updates. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the like.
Okay, so now what I have done is I have opened a Nifty 50 chart. So mind you, whenever you are looking into the trend of market, always look into the spot chart. Okay, so what I mean by spot is like when you search for Nifty, you will get this Nifty 50 index as well as Nifty future. So in future, you won't get data for more than continuous data for more than 3 months, might be 2 months. Yeah. So always go for this Nifty 50 index if at all you are tracking anything with respect to Nifty. Okay, friends. So now when you look into this particular period, you will very clearly understand the way market is very choppy. You won't know whether it is going up or whether it is going down or whether it is going sideways. Now that market is already completed, we are able to understand that it is choppy. But how do you know? How do you find out the trend? So that is what I told you we will be learning in this particular video. How will we identify the trend of the market? So now I'll show you how to identify the overall trend of the market, and then I will show you how do I identify stocks. Okay, so when it comes to stocks, friends, I am asking you, recommending you to stick to Nifty 50 stocks only because it's going to be safe. And later, once you're experienced, then you can go towards Nifty 100 or Nifty 200 or Nifty 500. I have reached almost Nifty 500 now, so I am filtering out stocks out of Nifty 500 because my speed has picked up, my confidence has picked up now by finding out the trend and all those things. Okay, so now that you're starting, keeping a leg first, I recommend you to please always. Start with Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, so by saying that, friends, first and foremost, always look into higher time frame. So we have the highest here is monthly time frame. So in monthly time frame, first we have to analyze whether which side the market is, and then later we'll go towards the smaller time frames. And mind you, this trend analysis can be done for your position strategies as well as for your swing trading strategies, your intraday strategies as well as for your BTST strategies. Any strategy you can follow the system. There is no limit, but just try to understand the concepts. I am going to touch upon three major aspects. Some people might tell you price action is the king, so I'll be using price action as well. Then I'll be using even trend indicators as well. Then I'll also be using momentum indicators. So totally I'm trying to find out the price action, the trend, and as well as the momentum in three simple steps, and I'll show you how it is. Okay, so friends, as of now what you can see are the normal candles. So I'm going to change it into something called as Heikanashi. So what is the difference between this candle, normal candle, Japanese candle, or the Heikanashi candle is that The present normal Japanese candle takes the present day high, low, close and all those things and forms a candle. But Heikanashi, what it does is it reduces the noise. As you can see, it reduces the noise completely, and it gives it takes the average from the previous day as well. So today's trend is determined by previous day price as well. So always what happens is the price is calculated from the previous day. So you can see a lot of noise is removed in this. You can see continuous green or either is continuous red or again green or again red or whatever it is. Okay, so this is one best method of price action to identify whether the trend is bullish or bearish. Now for us to confirm if it is bullish, we need continuously 3 green candles. So whenever we get continue 3 green candles, we confirm that the trend is bullish. Okay, so in this particular case, let me zoom. Presently, you can see there are 3 green candles, so it means that the market is bullish. And also in the Heikanashi also, you can see here in this particular case, the high, I mean the open and the low are the same. Here also open and the low are the same. Here also open and low are the same. So whenever we get such kind of candles, it means it's a very strong bullish signal. But when we get like this kind of candles where you can see a small tail is there, here also you can see there is a small tail. So what these kind of candles mean is that the market is either sideways or it is trying to change the direction of market. Okay, this is just for information. You don't have to consider it for our strategy, but I'm just trying to tell you, you can know in well in advance how the market is performing or what is going to happen as well. Market speaks a lot to you friends through charts. You just have to analyze it. That's it, simple. Okay. So once this is done, I move on to the next most important thing, that is a trend indicator, and the most famous one, the age old one, is the moving averages. Now you might ask me, sir, which moving average should I use? Should I use the 5 or the 10, the 15, the 21, the 80, 90, etc., etc.? God knows there are many moving averages, but then in one it might show as bullish, in another it might show as bearish. So how do you finalize? So to remove all this noise, to remove all this confusion, I use a simple indicator which I'll just show you. So whenever you open in this list, you can find a something called as the alligator. Alligator is nothing but crocodile. Okay, so it has got something 3 moving averages. I'll just show you what are the periods. So it has got a 13 days period as well as 5 days period as well as a 3 days period. So it is called in the name of jaw, teeth and lips. So basically they are trying to compare it with a crocodile's jaw, teeth and lips. So they are saying that the jaw will not move very fast, but the teeth will move little faster, but the lips of the jaw, I mean of the alligator, keeps moving very fast. So that is why the smallest time frame, that the green one, is kept as the lips. Okay, I am just trying to give you an idea of it. It is not necessary for us. Don't change any settings, just keep it default whatever it is. Okay, so the logic here is what market says to us is that whenever the green candle is above the red candle and the blue candle, it means that the market is bullish. Also the price automatically will be above the all 3 moving averages, but whenever this green starts moving above all 3, then you can confirm that the market is bullish. So this is one among the trend indicators which we use to identify whether the market is moving sideways or upwards or downwards. Okay. So in this particular case, you can see the Heikanashi also confirm that the market is trending, as well as the moving averages, that is alligator, also confirm that the market is trending. Now we have to find out the momentum, whether it will continue this momentum, whether it will continue the Josh. So for that I use my favorite indicator, it's called as the RSI, and I do a small change in the setting as well. I think most of you know it. I always keep it as 60 and 40. It's not 80-20, by default you will get 80-20, no other changes. Keep it 60 and 40 and then give done. Okay. So what this means is that whenever RSI is above 60, so that you can see the gray shade coming here. So whenever RSI is above 60, it means that the market is bullish, and whenever the RSI is below 40, that is you can see the gray shade below 40, the market is bearish, that is it is going down. And whenever it is in between this 40 and 60, it means that the market is sideways. Okay friends, so these are the three indicators which I use. Not only I, many professionals use these indicators to find out whether the market is trending or whether the market is ranging or whether it is going up or down and all those things. Okay, so let us come back to our procedure. First put the monthly time frame. We have done the monthly time frame. We got that three continuous Heikin-Ashi candles are there. Okay, also we can see that there is a small tail over here, but there is no tail over here. So it means that the trend is continuing. The green is above the red and as well as the blue, as well as the RSI is above 60. So the monthly time frame is telling us that the market is bullish. So let us go to the smaller time frame, that is a weekly time frame. Now look at the interesting part friends. The monthly told us that it is bullish, but the weekly gives us a different opinion. Weekly tells us that the market is moving sideways. Reason because there is no continuous three green candles, or neither there is three continuous red candles. Okay. So you can see after red there was again a green, then again there was a red, then again there was a green, and there was no you can see as the open and the low is not the same, again there is a lot of tail. So it means that the market is sideways, and also you can see price has come down below the green line, that is the green moving average. So once again it is giving an indication that the market is presently moving sideways. So so then if at all now you came to know that the market is moving sideways, then which strategy will you use now if at all you are doing a position strategy? So when you do your position strategy, you always look into the weekly time frame. So now at this point of time, we always use the non-directional moving, non-directional trading. If at all you do like straddles and strangles, you will make excellent profits. Yeah. So RSI also you can see it is almost close to 50, but for us all three indicators has to align, only then we'll consider it as bullish. So as of now for us market is moving sideways in the weekly time frame. Now let us come to the daily time frame. So daily time frames gives you a very clear idea that lot of confusion in the market. It is going up, it is coming down, the green is also going up and coming down, and also here you can see presently there are three green candles are not yet formed. The green line is just let me zoom in a little more for you. So these are for the intraday peoples. Okay, intraday whether you should do bullish or bearish or sideways, for that you have to see here. So you can see green has slightly come above the red and the blue, and also there is only two green candles, still the third green candle has not come, and also RSI is still at 55. You can see it showing as 55. It has not yet reached 60. So it means that presently the market is sideways. So what is that you have to do? You have to continue with your non-directional trading strategies and keep it strangle or straddle, and you can make very good profits. Hope you understood how do you identify the market direction, the market trend. Very simple concept friend, and it is very robust method as well. Okay, now let us go into the stock selection part. How do we identify the trending stocks and the ranging stocks? All three same indicators. So just go to, I mean you all be knowing, just type the Nifty 50 stocks. You will get all the stocks here. So you can start testing all the stocks, or also you can start coming from the bottom. What happens is topmost stocks like Reliance, TCS and all, they hardly move anything. It's not that they don't move, but comparative to other stocks they move less, large cap stocks. So in Nifty 50 try to follow the bottommost stocks, like there is Hindalco, there is Tata Steel. Oh yeah, when I told Tata Steel, it's one of my favorite stock which I'm following these days. I'll just show you. I made hell lot of money in Tata Steel. Yes, look into this. Will you ever miss this opportunity? Same like how Bajaj Finance was there. Remember, I was uploading on the YouTube channel, also on the Telegram channel. I kept on updating everyone that start trading the ORBs in Bajaj Finance, and hell lot of money was made in Bajaj Finance. Same kind of structure I can find now in Tata Steel as well. Friends, look into this. Look into this. Continuously, there is no tail at all. There is one tail which came here, but apart from that, continuously green candles. The green line moving average is above the red and the blue, as well as RSI is above 16. Everything confirming this is a daily time frame. Let us come from the bigger. The monthly also is telling that it is bullish. We can see all three green candles. The green is above the blue and the red, as well as RSI is above 60. Then once again you can see the weekly time frame as well. Same thing. Once again you can see the daily time frame as well, all indicating that the stock is super bullish. Yeah. So this is how we identify stocks. Just even if you're working, don't worry, just go home, spend few minutes in the evening, just see which stock, how it is performing, what's the trend, then put these stocks into your watch list for tomorrow. If at all you are not following, see, there was one strategy which I told you, the colorful strategy which I told you in last video of mine, where you can do you can find two trending stocks, that is two gainers and one losers in case if Nifty is going positive. Okay, so some people might do swing trading, so you can use the same concept. If you feel that market is going up bullish, take two trending stock, that is two gainers, that is who are trending up, and then take one stock which is going down, and if you feel markets are going sideways, you can avoid the stocks, and in case if you know options, you can use the strangles or the straddles. So this is how you plan for your day. This is how you make money consistently in stock market. Now, when it comes to intraday, you can follow any strategy. There is ORB, there is the PRB, all these strategies, the 1 hour breakout, everything are uploaded on my channel. You can just follow it. Strategy is not the concern now. We already moved away from strategy. We are trying to find out the trend in the market. Okay. So, when it comes to swing trading, don't worry. Next, I'll teach you very lots of swing trading strategies as well. So you can implement those as well, because you know from September there's not going to be much leverage. So there's no point doing intraday trading. Most of them might go towards swing trading. Okay, so then I'll teach you many swing trading strategies as well. But for now, you can stick on to either ORBs or the time range breakouts, as well as the previous range breakout, anything. All those strategies are available on my videos, you can just go through. But this is how you identify your stocks. Keep 4-5 stocks in your kitty, and then once you find the stock which is in your kitty, those who are full time traders, they can start using the 5 minutes time frame as well. Yes, I'll just show you a little example. So morning when market starts, you can see that you can see three candles in green. It is above, green is above red and blue, and RSI also above 60. Immediately you can plan something, wait for the first three candles, and then immediately you can start planning the bullish strategy, and then continue with the bullish strategy. And then you can see as the trend has started changing, that is three red candles have come, but still the green is above the red, and RSI is also above 60. So we will keep waiting. So till then we are not got confirmation. As of now, market is moving sideways. So if at all you are doing options, you can take a sideways strategy during this period. But if you are doing only equity trading strategy, then you have no other option. You have to continue with the buy itself, because we have not got a sell signal still. And then you can see again the market has continued. No way the green has come down below the red and the blue. So thereby we can put in lot of profit. You can catch lot of profit. Okay friends, hope you really like this video. If at all I was able to give you something new, something which you like, something which is going to be useful for you, then don't forget to press the like button and also the subscribe button, because there's going to be lots and lots and lots. And friends, next I'll be touching upon Bank Nifty, one of my favorite, because I make most, I can't say most of my money, I make my living out of Bank Nifty. The most traded fund of mine is in Bank Nifty. I think most of you know this. All those who are in touch with me on WhatsApp and Telegram know it. I keep trading on Bank Nifty majorly, my major funds. So next I'll show you how do I trade majorly, how do I find trends in Bank Nifty, the same logic. We'll take a few examples as well. So there are lots and lots going to be available for learning. So don't forget to press the subscribe button and stay tuned for my further videos as well. And in case if any of your friends really need help from you, then don't forget to share this video to them as well. Okay friends, hope you really like the video. Thank you and have a nice day.